My name is Sylvia Clottey, and today I was privileged to have attended the Startup Your Own Recruitment Agency with our SU services. And it has really taught me a lot. It was very informative, and you get to gain financial freedom. You are able to start and work at your own pace. You have that freedom. It's not like you have to start at 9 o'clock and then finish at 5 o'clock. You can do this anywhere at any time, which is that freedom that I needed. And I needed to do something that will help me to be able to gain to be able to gain financially, and then I have the freedom to do other things in life as well, for family and for other pleasures. And having been able to attend this workshop has really been an eye-opener and a blessing to me, because I've learned things that I really did not know, although I had the interest to go into my own recruitment agency. So I was able to learn how to do it, and then how it goes, what I needed to do, and the help that is out there for me. And with RSU services, they are going to hold my hand through every step of the way. And that is what gives me the peace of mind to be able to carry on with this interest of mine, because it's very tricky when it comes to starting something on your own and you don't have someone to hold your hands. But for the guidance of RSU, I'll be able to go through, because I'm going to be assigned my own manager, which is a plus. I have the materials to be able to take on my own jobs. I'll have both hard copies and then softwares to be able to work with. And I'm very, very happy and privileged to have attended this workshop, which I will recommend to my friends and family. And I wouldn't waste any time, because then there is also a business in there for me when I introduce others. And when they come on the program and they also introduce other people, they will also get a business out of it. So then there is the recruitment agency, and then you get to gain from RSU in monetary terms when you introduce others. And I will tell you, don't waste time. Take up this opportunity whilst it lasts.